Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. Today we are going to learn about Premiere Pro. From now we are going to learn how to create a new project. To create a new project, click this New Project button in the left corner. Click it, then view video stocks, footage, and project name, project location, project template will be here. Click project location in order to change the way you want to save the file. I'll choose location and I will save in my GLTC Premiere Pro video stock folder. Click select folder and then change the project name. I'm going to do GLTC video GLTC new first project, yes. And then press create, then it will be right here. So I'm going to tell you about the panels. So how to open and close the panels. You can just click this right click and then close panel, or you can also click this close button for the timeline only. And how to change in workspace, you can click window, workspace, and you can see that lots of workspace are here. So now we are going to use editing or effects, but I'm going to use effects. Then it'll be like this, very nice. So to edit the layout of the workspace, you can just click this. You can see these little lines here, right? The black lines. You can just drag them in order to change it. Like this, like this, like this. And you can also undock the panels. Click this little three hamburger signs, three dots. Click undock panel. Then it will be another layout like this. To make it again in docked, click this, drag this little timeline and put it here. It's not the same as it was. Yes, like this. And it was here. And I edited the layout and I don't really like it. I like the normal one, the first one. Then click window again, workspace, and then click reset saved layout. You can also save your layout as you want. Click window, workspace, and then go back to save workspace. If it is edit workspace, you will save the new workspace as it was. You're going to make it in the effects panel. You're going to edit another effects panel, so there will be no new workspace. But if you press save as new workspace, it will make a new workspace. So if it is editing workspace, you can name it as GLTC and it'll be GLTC workspace. I'll try it and then say name GLTC workspace. Then boom, you'll see that there's a GLTC workspace right here. And you can also change between the workspace by pressing this little Alt Shift 7 or like this. You can change between them. Okay. These three little dots minus hamburger can save project, new beans, new search bin, new project shortcut. It has different options for every panels. It only has few, but it has a lot here, like this. To create a sequence, the sequence is an A4 paper. If you make a video using, let me bring some of the folders I have. This is my video stocks. I'm going to bring few of them. I brought the autumn forest and beautiful beach. and if you bring it, as you see, the resolution between them will be different as we do. If it is 1280 multiplied by 720, and this is 1920 times 1080, it will be always different. But if we use a sequence, it will be a setting that as you choose. It's like 120, 80, like that. As you choose, all the video stocks will be same as that resolution. If it is too less, it will be same as it. So it is just an A4 paper. If you don't have this, it will be like you're working without an A4 paper. You're writing in a table. Yeah, this is so. To create it, right click in this project panel, and press new item and the sequence, or you can bring it a little bit here and you will see this little page new item sign icon. You click it, sequence. As you see, there's lots of sequence, but we are aiming to upload a video in YouTube, so we are going to use YouTube setting. Go to setting, and there'll be editing mode, custom, time base 23.76 frame per second. We'll just use as 29.97 sequence. So this is the frame seconds, how many frames will be there in a second. For the frame size, I will use just 1920 times 1080. So no need to click these other things. Preview file format, you also don't need to say change this maximum, no need. So sequence name we'll use as just YouTube 1920 multiply by 1080. Save preset, and this is for only importing the file. So once again, YouTube 190. You can name it as you want, but I'm going to use this name because it is easier for me to verify. So it doesn't this is enough. Description, you have to write anything, you don't need to write, but I'm going to write 1920 multiplied by 1080 resolution for YouTube. Press OK, and then boom, in the custom, you open the custom, you will see YouTube 1920 1080. See? So sequence name gltc.practice, just gltc practice. For now, I'm going to delete these things. Okay. To open the sequence, you can double click it, and then that's all for the sequence. You can also make what I say, you have seen a shorts in YouTube or reels in the Instagram, TikTok, and other things like that. It has short from YouTube. You can also make a sequence like that using 180 times 1920. So there are importable and non-importable file formats. I will tell you right now. We can import files like video files, common formats like MP4, MOV, AVI, and other things like this. For audio files, MP3, WAV, AVE, and others. For image files, we can import JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and other things. Graphic files, we can bring PSD for Photoshop, AI for Illustrator, and other things related to the Adobe. Project files, you can also load After Effects, Premiere Project, and other things like this for the collaboration. For non-importable files, like system files, dynamic link library, system files, or exe like that. Executable files, bat, and other things. And you can also can't import files like for video files, MKV, because it's a zipped file of an MP4. You can't upload this file. That's all for these things. For other things, you don't really need to look for it because it's the most common files we use daily life. Okay, for the now we are going to learn how to import media. As I did before, you can import by double clicking these empty files, but if you have too much things here, there will be no space for you to double click. Then you can press Ctrl I to import media. For now, I'm going to click Autumn Forest. Beautiful Autumn Forest. Also, you can import file from the folder. Just go to folder you want and drag and drop the file. Easy. Drag and drop the file. Also, there's for enlarging panels shortcut, because if there's too much things here, there'll be no space for us to double click if it's common for you or easier for you to double click this file. We can press this in the left upper left corner of your keyboard. There's a sign like a wave. You can click it, then there will be a enlarge the panel. Either enlarge the panel, you can click it again to smaller, you can click here, click here, click here, click here. Easy, right? In order to use this, you can to import, you can click this, import, and click this again, and then no, finish. There's also metadata place display. You can click this to view, and there'll be something like frame rate, media duration, video in point, video out point, video duration, and it's so many things we don't need actually. So just click this, right click on name or other things here and click metadata display. Then boom, here are the things we have to display. So I'm going to leave label, frame rate, media start, media end, media duration, video in point, we disable it. Video duration, leave it, subclick start, subclick end, subclick duration, delete. Video info, audio info, tape name, description, log note, no need. Status, scene, shot, good, hide. It seems this is enough for us, so press OK. Then there will be less things, there will be no other things that you didn't need. You can, as for it, you can save settings. As it is a setting, you can import it any way you want. You can click save setting, name it GLTC metadata, data display, boom, there'll be new file. And if you add a lot and lot, just make a normal settings like this, and then you can always click it, change it, in order to make it simple. For the project panel, there's views for project panel. So we're going to look at project panel now. For project panel, there's lots of views like list view, icon view, and other freeform view. For freeform view, you can, I will just enlarge this. You can drag it any place you want, like this. this. I want this sequence to be here. I want the video stocks to be here. Boom. As you wanted, everything you had is organized as you want. I'm going to resize the view again. Go to list view, and for this you can also preview the videos. As you go to icon view, when you hover over this one, there will be a little dot here. A little icon will appear here. As you move your mouse, swipe your mouse, you will see that video plays. And also you can resize the items here. As you see this little lever here, you can drag it, enlarge it, and drag out to smaller it. Yeah, this is how to manage the items. And also small icons on the right corner. This new item I told you. This automate to sequence, we don't need to learn. Fine, we can see it right here, the same thing. You can just press GLTC practice and press enter. TC practice. Yep, you see it appears. And for the new bin, you can create a new file. It's not a bin that you think, a bin that you throw things. No, I also thought that's the same thing, but it's actually a folder you put. So I'm going to name it video stock. And you can drag it and drop it in order to put it in. Double click to see. And you can also move between them using clicking or by rolling the mouse. You know the roller in the mouse? You can also move them fast as you can. There's also, I'm going to drag it a little bit, delete. You can bring it to delete, or you can click it and press delete, clear. Or you can also press backspace if you want, but I don't have anything to delete right now, so no need. In the source view, I will just click on the video I want. Boom, it appears as a preview. You can drag between it to see it clearly. To make it enlarge, you can just enlarge button. Boom. As you see, all the things we need comes. There's also a timeline. We can bring our things into the timeline by dragging the source you have here into here. And it says this clip does not match sequence setting. Change sequence to match the clip setting. No, don't click keep existing setting. And no, don't click change sequence setting, because we set it as 1280 to 720. So if we click this, it will change to this one's video format setting. So press keep existing setting. Boom. As you see, the file size is different, so the sources are different, but you can right click on the thing and press scale to frame size. Yeah, it's all perfect. There's few tabs here. As you see, there's name section like this, and also audio section and video section like V1, A1, A2, A3, A4, V2, V3. Video sections is where the video will be added or pasted when you use Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And there are also locks, toggle track lock. If you press this, you can't even move it. It's normal. If you want to lock the audio and other things to change, it's available. There's also hide track output. It will hide and show. For this toggle sync lock, it will sync the lock. to sync this video stock. We don't need it right now. We can also change between them. Drag this little white icon, white line to make it bigger and smaller. You can scale white video by pressing Alt and dragging in and out by scrolling wheels. Like this, you can work like this. If you just scroll the mouse wheel, it will just normally move right and left. If you scroll it up, it will go right, left. If you scroll down, it will go right. Easy, right? So there's also for audios, there's mute, solo, record, toggle track lock. This is same thing as this. You can toggle it. For this, mute. If you have some audio and you press this, the audio will be not played. For solo, only this audio will be played. If you have multiple, this with audios will be played. You also have voiceover record. Now I'm going to do it. Hello everyone. This is GRTC. I'm going to try how to record works and explain to you very well. Thank you for starting with me. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe this video. As you see this. Hello everyone. This is GRTC. I'm going to try how to record works. And so as I did before, if you press M, no play. If you press S, it will. Thank you for starting. Okay, I'm going to make it multiple here. This is GRTC. Make it like strange a bit, like increasing this part, decreasing this part, like this. And then it will be played like Hello everyone. This is GRTC. I'm going to try how it works. If you press M in both, only the first one will be recorded. And explain to you very. If you press S in the first one, it will. Only thank you for played. If you press 2, thank you for starting with me. If you press 3, starting with me. Thank you so much. Please like. Okay. I'm going to delete it all. Also, there's toolbars in the left. There's section tool, tracks select forward tool, ripple edit, you can see it, and razor tool, cutting tool, slip tool, slipping between it, pan tool, rectangle or other LC polygon tool, and also hand tool, text tool. We'll see these others later. Also, we have, as you see it, there's a little V like this. If you see everything, you see it is a shortcut to change between them. V, then it will be select ripple edit, C to ripple edit like this, T to make a text, Y to do something like that. It's easy as pie. If you recognize this all, it is just a piece of cake really. I'm not lying. Video editing, if you learn 1 hour or 6 hours, there's a difference between that. Only 5 hours has a difference. As other things, you have to learn 1 month, 3 months, 5 months to make it perfect. But for this video, you're going to use 6 hours. 6 hours getting a pro additional things. And for the additional things, I'll create another video for it. Now we're going to edit some video. As you see, I like this part, but I don't want really to be show here this part. So to cut it, you can press C to razor tool. Like this, you can cut it, or you can press Ctrl K. It's easy. Just Ctrl K and Ctrl K and then Ctrl K. And also you can without gap you can delete videos. Gap is this thing, this empty place. You can also right click and click ripple delete. Control and you can press Alt and delete, backspace, in order to delete without a gap. It's easy. Just a bit settings has been changed for me, so it was different for me. You can also trim edit. As you see, there's a dragging corner here. You can drag it to make it short, drag it to make it long. As I play the video, I don't really like this part. Cut it, shift and then do this, control and then do this in order to make it short. I like this part, make it like short. Boom, all your things has been created. You can also press Q and E to directly delete the video as you want. If you press Q, it trims all the videos right to your things or left to your things. You can press Q in order to delete. For W, you can press W in order to delete everything until this next gap. As I try W, and you see. You can also add extra video. To add only part of the video you want, just click this in the project panel, double click, and you will see that there's a source panel. It appears. I'm going to mark in and out. Mark in and out is you can loop the video, or you can only export the part of your video, or for last you can import the part of the video you want. Right click, go to in, go to out, mark in, mark out is for markings. So mark in first. Then from the mark in part to the end of the video, it will be marked. And to mark out, right click, mark out. Now mark in here, for here mark out. Wait, this is a bit strange today. Yes, you have to move between it, mark out. Yeah, it appears in the cursor where this blue cursor appears. As you see, this is the part we are going to export. So you can also drag video only, import the video only, or audio only, but we don't have audio right now, so no other things. You can also drag these little blue things in order to make it longer. But I'm going to use only this part because I like how it rotates, how beautiful it is. Drag this into here, and let's see the video. It's pretty nice. Yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, it's very good. It is as I wanted, but the size is different, so I'm going to right click, scale to frame size. Once more. Yeah, it's nice. How I like it. Also, there's insert and outline overwrite. For this, you can move the cursor, and if you press insert, it inserts the video part. But the problem is it cuts the video between it. And for overwrite, see, it deletes the video. So as you see, for insert, it cuts the video here and put the video inside it, between it. Overwrites the video, so no other parts will be left to pushed out, but it will be like that. And if you change the target of the track, is it insert? No, this part, I think, guess so. Yeah, as you see, the place gets different. Insert again. See, the way it appears is different. You can also do this in program panel. You can also mark in and out here, but I'm not going to do it right now because it takes time. Now I'm going to tell you ripple and rolling edit. So hold down the left mouse on the third icon, this little icon. Hold down your mouse key and there will be few things will appear. We're going to use ripple and rolling edit. For ripple, as you bring it to the video you want and press and bring it to the corners of the video, you can delete it, and same as control alt and then dragging, it deletes the part you want. Yeah, it deletes the part and bring it. For rolling edit, it's a bit different from it. You can bring it, as you see, it increases and decreases the video, so it length gets different. If I press here and go, this video will get longer and this video will get shorter. This is how to use rolling edit. Simple. Let's try some more. I'm going to do ripple edit is B and N. So B to make a change, delete it, and to make it override like this. Yeah, and like this. Yeah, pretty nice. I like it. I really like it. Yeah. So now you're going to use slip and slide tool. The fifth tool you have, you can click slip tool or slide tool. So Y and U. So for Y, the slip tool doesn't affect how the video works, but only if it doesn't affect the timeline, only video's length or the position changes. As you see, there are two things appear and you'll see the difference, the original one and the different one. And for the slide tool, it will affect the timeline. As you see, when I drag it to the outside the film, outside the grid, it will increase this one video. If I bring it, it decreases one video. If I do in the middle one, it decreases one, increases one, like this, easy. So as we do this, we can just do like this, do like this, do like this, do like this, do this a little bit, just do this a little bit, just a little bit, then it'll be like. So if I do like this, we can change between them. We can do it. I don't really like it. Shorter video, too long I think. As we go this, not too long still. Make it like this, this, and this. It'll be perfect I think. So we're going to change the duration of the speed and the duration of a video. First we're going to delete this video, and then in my video stock I'm going to bring this racing car. So I have this racing car. As you see, the video is really fast. As the racing cars move, the video changes like this. And in this part, I really want to change this part. As you see, it goes fast. But I think those racing cars are too slow here. So right click and there will be speed duration right here. Click it. There will be speed and the duration appears here. You can decrease the duration, increase the duration, and as the speed will change. As the speed increases, the duration will get shorter. As the speed decreases, the duration will get longer. But you have to think of the speed. So as like this is enough. 100. There'll be like real racing cars, faster. And I'm going to make this part of the video slower. Control K and until this part. slower. And for the shortcut, you can press Ctrl R, and it'll be, you can select or change the speed and duration of the video. And then here we go like this, more slower a bit, like this. Speed is like this. It'll be decreases directly and increases. Yeah, I think the video need to be, I will tell you about the settings now. There's a setting called ripple edit, shifting, trailing clips, and reverse speed. For the reverse speed, you can go backward, like looping backward. And for ripple edit, it changes the place as this decreases, it will get longer, right? And it will push out the next video. So if we play it, going fast and slow right here, and fast again. And here I'm going to make it slower. Control R, Control R, slower, because it's the last like this, and here a bit faster like this. As you see, the video will be really nice then. It decreases here when some blue car try to intercept the car's place, faster and slower at the end. Pretty nice, right? Now I'm going to reverse the video. So copy, you can directly duplicate it by pressing Alt and dragging. It's a tip for me, really nice tip. I'm going to delete this ripple by clicking and deleting, and here I'm going to reverse them. Reverse speed, yep. Then as you see, it goes here, it goes here. So we're going to change the order of it again. Click and delete, and look, it gets, and it goes backward now. The cars goes backward, and again backward, and then to start again. Okay, not bad. I really like it. And from the beginning, I'm going to watch it. Car goes really fast, slow, fast again, and slow at the end. And as this finishes, it goes another part going backward, faster, slower, and then faster, slower. Yeah, this is how to change the video. So as Warmer explained, ripple edit, shifting, trailing clips make a video doesn't eat away another part of the video, so it pushes out. So now we're going to link and unlink video and audio. For me, I have a video that playing a game. It's MKV, sorry, not this one. Yes, I'm going to bring this one. Yeah, this is the video I recorded till now. Our video today we are going to learn about Premiere Pro. So from now we are going to so when you select audio, it clicks the video. Select video, it selects the audio. So it is linked. So I don't really want this. So to do this, right click and click unlink the video. It is somewhere here, wait for me. Click only, goes down. Where it is? Where is it? Yes, unlink. Then different videos. You can change moving them, but you have also another way to do it. It's easier, but really easier. You can just press this linked selection. If you press this, you can select. It's easier. But if you press this again, it'll be one again. Easy. Just you need to click it, and then it will be linked, unlinked. You don't need to right click and find for linking, unlinking, and then doing again. Yeah, this is all. Now we're going to using marker on the program. So we can use marker. Marker represents where the important parts are. So for now, for this video, this you don't need actually. So this three dots, this part is important because I'm clicking the wrong part. Design, because it was the wrong part of the video. I'm going to click it, and now you can also use Alt and drag to enlarge it. From here to here, it's a mistake. So here to here is a mistake. You can double click it, change the name, mistake part. Comments, delete it and crop it. Marker color red. Comments marker, chapter marker, segments marker, web link. There's lots of it, but we are going to learn it later on. So okay, then it says mistake part, and delete and crop it. Resign. You can also drag it to change the place here. Also, you can do the same thing here. Add marker, art, enlarge it, double click it, mistake, video, and then it's all done. Now we're going to I'm going to tell you another way. Rather than double clicking, press M twice, it will be open. Just press one time once, it is opens, but press twice when it's on my Mac. So I can also crop the video, as you see, by dragging the corner. I click the video and I'm go out a little bit, so 75%, no 25%, and then go to effect, control, motions, click motion, and you can enlarge or smaller the video as you want, like this. You can crop the video, or you can scale it in the effects tab, and also you can move it left and right, up and down, but we are going to learn it later on, so just only cropping the video. Also, we can use multiple videos at a time. For me, I'm going to bring this little part of the video above here. Then it'll just go like this. From now, we are going to learn how to create a new project. To create it's going to be like this, but I'm just going to delete other things, enlarge the video as it was, and then I will just scale it down a little bit and put it here. As you see, the video comes out with same thing. Everyone, welcome back to our video. Multiple videos at a time. You can also put you can also put other images, PNG file, or like that, in order to make it clear. So that's all for today's video. Next time we're going to learn about essential graphics, templates, creating color, creating text, working with images, like that. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.